This is more of a review about the company itself because they don't honor their warranty at all. They came up with every excuse in the book, and right now I'm kind of stuck with this stuff that's not working. Anyways, what happened to it? What happened to it is that after a few months of use, it started leaking. So the first thing that they told me is that I have to buy parts for it. Although in the very first email that I sent them, I told them that I have the receipt, I have everything, it's under warranty, so I should be good. Right away they told me it's leaking, buy parts for it. So I was kind of confused there, so I told them, wait a minute, doesn't this have warranty? And finally, after talking to him a little bit, finally they told me, okay, check out if the tank is actually cracked or if there's anything wrong with it. So what I did was just put water in here, placed it in my sink just in case, and then I checked out if there was any leaking from anywhere, and there wasn't. So the tank's still good. So physically there's nothing wrong with the tank itself, and I knew that beforehand anyways, because what I tried with this is just to put a little bit of water in it and then I left it and there's no leaking. So if I put water in this and I just leave this, there's no leaking at all. However, if I turn it on, then it starts leaking, and it starts leaking from down here. So let me just take this apart. So here we go. So the leakage comes from here, which worries me because the fan, and I don't want water to get through the electronic part, which is not supposed to. So that's why I tried various things. I tried to put less water, more water in here and see if this leaks. I tried that about 3-4 times, and then that's it. I didn't want to risk it anymore because obviously if there's water going through the fan and the electrical part of this, then something really bad can happen, right? When I'm doing those tests. Now, the bad thing about the company is that they take forever to answer an email. So I've been going back and forth through emails with them, and they take forever. So they take a few weeks even, or sometimes they don't even answer until you actually write back to them, and then they tell you, okay, what's happening? So at first, yes, they talked about me buying parts. Later on, yeah, they admitted that they do have warranty. However, they wanted to charge some fees that didn't really make sense. After that, they brought up even more fees later on that they wanted to charge me as well. And at the very end, when I thought they might actually be honoring their warranty and that they didn't get back to me for about 3 weeks, I wrote back to them to say, what's going on? Any updates? They told me that they had a problem with my shipping address. So with me, that's really weird because I buy everything online. If you guys watch my videos, I have a ton of videos where I buy stuff from Best Buy, Walmart, directly from Apple, and even Costco, which is where I got this from. And I bought this online. So none of these stores have ever had a problem with my address except for these guys for some reason. So what did I tell them? I told them if you have a problem with my address, just use my parents' address or here's my brother's address. Obviously, once again, it's been about 2 weeks that they haven't replied, so I wrote another email. And I'm guessing they are running out of excuses not to honor their warranty, so I'm guessing they're not gonna answer anything this time. But at this stage of the process, it's been 3 months. 3 months since I started talking to them, and still they come up with various excuses not to honor their warranty, which based on their very first reply doesn't really surprise me because they told me to buy parts for it, which again would not make sense because this doesn't leak, and the part that I would buy, I guess, would be this, which is the actual machine. If you guys take a look at this is nothing. This is just plastic. This does basically nothing. This right here is the water tank, which is not leaking. Luckily, there's no cracks around it, nothing. But the actual unit, that's the problem, and that's where the leaking happens from down here below. Anyways, that's my review for now. It kind of sucks that the company does not honor their warranty. It's actually the very first company that I've seen that they don't honor their warranty. I've had other companies that it took me a little bit to get them to honor their warranty, but in the end of the day, they always honor their warranty. But these guys, no, never buy stuff from this company. I'm pretty sure it's not legal just to say that you have your warranty and just not honor it at all. Anyways, that's pretty sad because I like the design. This, like I mentioned in my other videos, looks like wood, although it's just plastic. But that's why I liked it so much, because it does in fact look like wood, although again, it's just plastic. Anyways, guys, I did need something like this in my house, something that was a diffuser and humidifier. So I did end up buying something else that was around the same price and that had actual warranty from another company. So you guys can check that out in my videos. I do have an unboxing for that other product, but all I can tell you for now is just stay away from the company that makes these guys, since they don't honor and clearly don't honor any warranty with them. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.